Okay, let's look at our stocks. Tesla looks like it wants to do something. We are up $4.77 today, but that's not what is special. Up 2.61%, it's not what is special. What is special right here is that we are making higher lows. We see the lows right here. Here they were horizontal, now they are climbing. Look at this. We have a green candle today. It's been 6 days in a row where we are closing above 180.38. So this means that buyers need to push the stock higher in order to get stocks, because sellers are selling a little bit higher each time. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, which has a lot more detail, we are right smack on 187.45. This is a number that we have a hard time breaking for good. Look at this right here. We broke it Monday, June 17th at 2:30. We broke it temporarily and then we came back down. Now we are very close to breaking it. If we break it tomorrow, if we break and close 180.45 tomorrow, and preferably if we close above on the 1 hour chart 188.86, then this is going to mean that something has changed and that things seem to go a little bit higher. So on the 1 hour chart, this is the trade that you can do. Above 188.86, you can catch a little bit of a ride. On the daily chart, we need to break above 194.35, but we definitely see a little bit of a move up right here. We see it from the lows. We don't see it yet from the highs. As soon as we are going to see it from the highs, then this is going to become even more real. Also, we have stochastic over 60. Stochastic is at 84. We need it above 60. Each time stochastic is above 60, things are happening to a stock. Each time. So now we have stochastic over 60 and we have just been going sideways so far. So I think there's a pent-up demand right here. So watch Tesla very closely. It could be very close to moving higher. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX is coming down. We are down 3.75% today. When the VIX is coming down, the stock market is going up. So yesterday and today we had two big moves down and we never had stochastic over 60 yet on these moves up right here that we had recently. So these moves were not to be believed in terms of their longer term duration. Let's take a look at the stock indices to see how they are faring. Dow Jones is pretty much going sideways. So this one does not have many tech stocks, so it's not representing well the tech stocks that we are following. S&P 500, we are continuing higher and higher with a great stochastic. Nasdaq also continuing. We had 3 days down and now we seem to be turning around a little bit. Let's take a look at our important stocks. Apple, after the big move up we had, we are caving in a little bit. We caved in. And now, yesterday, we pretty much had a sideways day. Today, again, a sideways day. We tried to break 211. We broke it very shortly during the day. If we look at it on the 1 hour chart, this is where we see it. We broke it during the day, came back down, and now we are trying again. The stock has not succeeded, but at least it's trying. Amazon, nothing to do here. We are waiting for 190. AMD, nothing to do here. Waiting for 162.57. ARM, if we go on the 1 hour chart, we see something interesting. So ARM was pulling back and look at this here. We see that we had some support at 158.36 and we broke that support during the day today with stochastic over 60. So from the 1 hour chart perspective, this is a nice entry. We want it to stay above 156.30. This is a nice entry right here. The real support is below 150.21. But this is a great day today. We are up 6%. Look at this big green candle. We are really bouncing on the support. Google, very strong. We are almost overbought on the RSI. This one really wants to go higher, even faster than the rate it has been. Microsoft continuing higher. Meta just going sideways. Nvidia bouncing on support right here. There's some risk right there, but you can consider this a buy because we have stochastic over 60. And if we look at the 1 hour chart, oh, it's not yet a buy on the 1 hour chart. We have stochastic over 60 on the 1 hour chart. I would wait on the 1 hour chart for a break above 127.16 in order to get back into that one. Palantir going sideways, but rebounding also. SMCI doing nothing. SoFi, yes, it has rebounded. There's no stochastic over 60 to tell us that it really wants to go higher. Let's take a look at our EV stocks. So BYD still making higher lows. The lows are getting higher and higher, but the highs are not getting higher yet. We still need to break 30.80. Lucid, nothing. Neo Battery Material, nothing. Neo, nothing. Novonix, our beloved Novonix. Look at the volume again. The volume is absolutely crazy. And we have our 3 buying criteria. Outside of a downward channel, we got that. Outside of a horizontal resistance, we got that. And stochastic over 60. So we got everything. We got everything, and this one is moving with confidence. And next stop should be 294. Xpeng doing nothing. Rivian, okay, Rivian is waking up a little bit. This one I would wait for a break above 1220, a close above 1220 on the daily chart in order to get back in. We already have stochastic over 60, so we are not missing much. Vermont Graphite doing nothing. Bitcoin bouncing a bit. XRP, nothing to say. Physical gold maintaining itself above 792, but there's no buy signal yet. And silver, the same thing, but silver is even worse because we have a red candle. We just broke through 988. We still have 973 as a support. So yeah, Tesla, this is only a hunch, but it looks like it wants to go. But I won't act on my hunches. I will wait for Tesla to cross some horizontal resistance before getting back in, but that might be happening soon. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.